I am going to show you the 4 ways that Americans use the expression, I'm down, in English. Let's get started. So the first way that someone uses I'm down is when someone invites you. This is probably the most common use. For example, want to watch a movie tonight? Yeah, I'm down. Again, this means I'd like to. A friend might also say to you, we're going bowling after dinner. Want to join? Your response, I'm down. That means it sounds good. Now, the second way that we use I'm down is when agreeing with an idea. Someone is simply suggesting an idea. For example, your friend could say to you, we should go to Chicago this summer. Your response, I'm down, meaning I agree, I'd like to do that. Or maybe your friend says, hey, let's try that new Mexican restaurant. You could reply with, I'm down. Again, what we're saying here is, I think that's a great idea. Let's go ahead and do it. The third way that Americans use this expression is when trying something new. For example, your friend might ask you, have you ever gone kayaking? Your response could be, no, but I'm down to try it. Notice the difference. I can also say, I'm down to means I'm willing to. Here's another example. Want to learn how to surf? I'm down to give it a try. Very natural. The fourth way that Americans use I'm down is in text messages, and you'll see it constantly. A friend could ask you, want to grab coffee? Your response, I'm down. Or, are you free to go out Saturday? Your response, I'm down. Short, simple, very American. Now, I think it's important to also mention some common variations. I gave you a little bit of a taste of that a few seconds ago, but Americans often say I'm down, but you also could hear I'm down for that. For example, a friend could say, we're thinking about renting a cabin. You could say, I'm down for that. Another common variation is I'm down to. This means I'm willing to. I'm down to help. I'm down to drive. I'm down to cook. Now, 2 common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1 is confusing I'm down with feeling down. These mean completely different things. Again, I'm down means I'm interested. I'm feeling down means I'm sad. For example, want to go to the beach? I'm down. Good. But how are you feeling today? I'm feeling down. Now you're saying you're unhappy. The word is the same. The meaning is completely different. Mistake number 2 is using it in formal situations. Remember, this is slang. Imagine you're in a job interview. The interviewer says, would you be interested in leading this project? You're not going to say, I'm down. It's better to say, I'd be happy to, I'd be glad to, I'd be interested. Remember, I'm down is only going to be used with friends, family, classmates, and casual coworkers. Now, let's work on your pronunciation. Repeat after me. I'm down. I'm down. I'm down. For more slang in English, check out this video.